We continue with Dandasana and Sukhasana. Both of them are sitting posture, basic sitting posture. Come into Dandasana with the legs stretched and see that you're grounding with the sitting bones. Push the sacrum inside the body and bring the weight a little bit towards the leg. See that the back of the legs are grounding. Your spine is straight, shoulder rotate back and palm placed next to the hip. You can place your palm on a brick. See that you're reaching up with the crown of the head and the back of the neck is relaxed. Keep your legs active. If you feel that the weight is going a little bit backwards, then you can place a blanket behind your back, or you can sit on a blanket. Next, you can come to Sukhasana, bend your knee and just cross the knee at your calf. Here we do the basic principles of right sitting. So ground with the sitting bones, push the sacrum inside the body and bring the weight a little bit towards the leg. This position should be comfortable and you should be able to hold it for longer time as a meditation posture.